Here comes the VRE train to Union Station. We are touching it. Bernie, we gotta be the only ones getting on VRE trains to Union Station from here, you three. Oh, yes. No other people do it, but us transit enthusiasts and autistic ones will do it. Doors open.
Now at L'Enfant. Tickets must be validated prior to boarding the train.
Well, I'm sure we're an exception. After all, we're just going to Union Station. Step back while customer to exit.
There's still people getting off. Thank you so much, sir.
When on board, we will send a car or a train. Speaking of train, I think I see a headlight of another one.